and avoid this line in your answers. Customer service is the assistance provided to stay calm under pressure. And even if they ask you in cabin that why do you want to become a cabin crew, don't say this line that I love interviewer ask these questions to test your confidence and communication skills, so listen carefully. And if you are attending your interview soon, don't skip this video, because in this video I'll be going to share some recent questions which have been asked in cabin crew interview recently. Hello everyone, this is Manya and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So the first question is, as we all know, that introduce yourself. Introduce yourself हमेशा पर्सनल राउंड में पूछा जाता है, जीडी राउंड में और कम्युनिकेशन राउंड में तो ये स्किप होता है क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज रिक्रूटर्स वांट्स टू check your communication, so they always ask some GD questions, like whatever they will give you topic and you have to speak. इंट्रोडक्शन आपको पूछ भी सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन राउंड में नहीं पूछेंगे, वहां पे भी पूछ सकते हैं और भी क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ वो एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछे. यू वांट दैट हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, I can make a video on that how you should present your introduction to your recruiter. And in your introduction, avoid saying this thing that I love traveling and I want to, travel the whole world. So the second question was, how was your last birthday? Before, answering, take pause for 2 seconds and think what you want to say. Gather all the thoughts in your mind and do not fumble at that time. Obviously we all get nervous and fumble that ये क्या पूछ लिया उन्होंने, हमको पता रहता है naturally. Don't think that you are in front of recruiter. Just think for the 2 minutes and say whatever comes in your mind, but in a professional way. And don't give a memorized answer here, because the recruiter identify you that if you have a introduction तो सबका रटा हुआ रहता है, तो वो पता लग जाता है उनको that you have done ratification. So the third question was, how do you stay calm under pressure? यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि आप काम कैसे रहते हो under pressure में. What things you done when you are under pressure? Tell me about your father's routine or about your routine or about your mother's routine. वो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं about routine, किसी का भी routine वो पूछ सकते हैं. In this you just need to think कि क्या क्या रहता है और फिर वो सोच के आपको आंसर बोलना है. Fourth is, what is customer service or what is customer service mean to you? You can say in this like customer service is the assistance provided by an airline to their passengers. It includes solving passengers queries, concerns, and ये सब रहता है. You can say it in professional and natural way. ये सब आपको communication skills से ही मतलब आएगा. If you are good, even if you are not good, it's okay. आप practice कर सकते हो in front of mirror. You can talk with yourself as well. You can talk with your friends as well in English in order to improve your communication skills. Another one is how your cabin crew version looks like. ये आपको explain करना है. Which is your worst memory? मतलब आपने कोई आपकी एक ऐसी मेमोरी है जो कि अच्छी नहीं है आपके मुताबिक, तो आपको वो एक्सप्लेन करना है. What will you do after you get your first salary? आप अपनी जब आपको फर्स्ट सैलरी मिलेंगी तब आपको मतलब आप क्या करना चाहोगे उस सैलरी का, वो सब आपको एक्सप्लेन करके पूरा बताना है. एंड इफ वन टिप विच आई कैन गिव यू इज दैट स्पीक लाइक यू आर अ कैबिन क्रू ऑलरेडी. मीन्स कैबिन क्रू एकदम प्रोफेशनली रहते हैं, प्रोफेशनली बात करते हैं, एकदम उनका स्टैंडर्ड ही कुछ अलग रहता है. सो बिहेव लाइक दैट. Imagine that you are already a cabin crew